name is Nilesh Kenkre, and I'm partner in a firm called Arcade. It's me and my wife Bhavya. We both are partners, and we are doing all sort of projects, mostly into glamour interiors. I mean, that's what we are known for. Otherwise, we have a varied range, starting from restaurant, nightclubs, celebrity houses, all the way to meditation center, Buddha temple. So we've done all sort of projects. You name the project, and we've done it. But we have recognition mostly because of our glamour interior. Now, basically, past few days there's been lockdown in the country, and all of us are homebound. And initially, it was pretty frustrating. I mean, we are used to. I mean, especially me. I've been working for almost 18 to 20 hours a day regularly, and suddenly, after like say 25, 30 years of your life, when you're working, suddenly you get such a break where there's nothing to do. It becomes very difficult, and we didn't know what to do. So it took us some time, and somehow I kept myself busy, cooking. So I've been trying various recipes. In this lockdown, I must have tried over 50, 60 recipes, and I even wrote a blog, Papa Cooks, and I got a fan following, or whatever, followers, or whatever you call it, like from all over the world, or from the countries which I don't even know. So that one thing kept me busy. Second thing is painting. Then maybe doing such small things which I missed out on since so many years. So that was about the lockdown. It's been tough, of course. It's been tough for almost everyone, but we have to find out the ways of getting out of it. Lockdown has been really tough. People are claiming that they're working from home or things like that, but somehow for me, working from home never worked. We tried initially. We tried for almost 15-20 days or whatever, because first of all, we are into a profession where we are doing all sort of private projects. So we work one-to-one basis with the client, and it's basically a comfort level. There are a lot of ideas, a lot of decisions which are taken at the site, and we don't have anything that is fixed. So many designs evolve during the progress of the site. Also, since they are private, sometimes client doesn't mind increasing the budget, or sometimes his budget is going too high, why don't you cut down on certain things like that. So for us, we don't really design like complete tender drawings or whatever it is, because it's happened. Client says कि चलो इतना हुआ तो थोड़ा और डाल दो, या बहुत खर्चा हो रहा है, cut करो. So at any time, designs are kind of, there are changes, or sometimes even we in due course of time feel that there needs to be some change that has to be done at the site. So somehow this working from home has never worked with us, because we don't use anything ready-made. So far we have not bought any ready-made furniture. We design everything, including the smallest handle. We design accessories. We customize almost everything. So it needs a lot of work and site visits and interaction with the client. So somehow this working from home has not worked for us. So I don't know. I mean, it's going to be difficult unless we start physically going to the site. For us, it's going to be very difficult. Now, what next? That's a question which is on everyone's mind. I feel, there've been like so many cases where it's a setback. It's a setback for the whole India. I mean, rather I would say the whole world. But we'll have to sell through. So I think another 6 months or something, it will take, because most of our workers are out of station. They've gone back to their hometowns. A lot of our staff, they cannot commute because of local trains not available. Not everyone can travel by bus, because there are a lot of people who come from very far off. So starting office also has not been like, we are waiting for 30th June to take the decision. I just went a couple of times, but somehow it did not work. we have to fight with it. And I'm sure all of us will get used to way of working. I cannot work from home, but then we will have to find out the way of working at the site. I'm nowadays wearing face shields. I'm wearing those N95 masks. And trying to, wherever we used to have 25-30 people working at the site, we are working with 5, 6, 7, 8 as many numbers of people. So it's not going to be easy, but we'll have to find out various ways of tackling the situation. We'll have to find out various ways of working on the side. We'll have to live with it. Maybe it's 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, who knows. And right now it's Corona. Maybe after a couple of years there's something else, because this is something which we never ever thought in the wildest of dream. First, almost for a month, I used to feel as if I'm watching some kind of movie, or like it's a dream, things like that. But now it's going to be very difficult. But slowly and steadily, all of us One fortunately good thing that all of us are selling in the same boat is just not me or you. It's entire India, or rather I would say world, who's selling in the same boat. So somehow I think all of us will cooperate. All of us will get together and things will go on. Rebuilding India. Rebuilding India. I don't know. I mean, I don't agree with this term of rebuilding. India is there. It's always been growing. It's rather we are rebuilding our own profession. India is where it is. Only thing is we are going to continue with building India, and whatever has happened for past 2-3 months, we'll have to cope with it, and we'll have to find out ways of handling our own side in a better manner. Of course, it's when you say rebuilding, it's rebuilding the labors, rebuilding everyone's profession, those people who have suffered a setback. Country as such will remain wherever it is. Economy has suffered. Economy has taken a big nosedive, and I don't know how many months, years, or whatever it's going to take. But all of us, one thing we can do, we'll have to be hopeful, we'll have to be tough, we'll have to be focused, and we have to focus and start working and work as if, the way we have started with nothing. It's again, after so many years, again we are restarting, and I think show must go on, right? All of us have to fight for the betterment of ourselves, fight for everyone, the laborers who are dependent on us, and life goes on. I mean, we will slowly learn the ways of fighting with the life. So I guess all the architects along with us will have to think of new innovative ways of social distancing, and all those things are I mean it's kind of, because like today in the restaurant which has a capacity of 200, you say make space for only 40, unless landlords reduce the rent, it's going to be highly impractical. Today a gym where capacity of say 500 people, you say कि 100 लोग जाके workout करेगा, the viability of the project goes away, and that's nothing to do with architecture or whatever it is. It has to be like a total, right from the rent and right from so many things that is going to affect this. So I don't know how far as an architect, I mean we'll have to eventually go with whatever is the demand of the market, whatever the policies are government, but I don't see any concrete focused or policies which are aimed at whatever. I mean right now it's like just moving with the flow. So let's wait it out and watch and pray to God that we sort of get back to life as soon as possible. And I wish you and everyone all the best, and I pray to God that He gives us the strength and we will fight the situation as we always been. Thank you.